This gorgeous Renaissance-built home by a Street of Dreams award-winning builder is located in a sought-after Wilsonville neighborhood. The Renaissance at Canyon Creek HOA includes a pool and playground area. Situated on a low-traffic, dead-end street, it's also on a larger-than-usual 0.16-acre lot. Heading inside this home of more than 3,000 square feet, you'll discover a meticulously crafted interior with beautiful built-ins and an open concept floor plan, perfect for entertaining. The gourmet kitchen has every amenity for the chef and the family, with a detailed designer backsplash, a 5-burner gas stove, an undermount sink, slab quartz countertops, and you'll love the walk-in pantry. You'll find a convenient main floor office and a powder room. On the upper level, double doors open to the elegant master suite with crown molding and a luxurious master bath complete with a deep soaking tub, a semi-frameless shower, and a large walk-in closet with organizers. A spacious family or media room is ready for family gatherings. And you'll find 3 more large bedrooms on this upper level, plus another full bath. The stamped concrete patio features a gas fireplace, TV mount, and a gas line for your barbecue. Plus, you'll have plenty of room for family fun in the fenced backyard with a play structure. You'll also enjoy a 3-car garage with overhead storage, walking trails, and easy access to shopping and entertainment. A fantastic Renaissance home in a great neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Tom Wilser with Premier Property Group at 503-422-6321. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.